Everybody loves onion rings. However, it's hard to find fresh, crispy, crunchy onion rings that are fried in a healthy oil. This is the best way to make popcorn onion rings.
The ingredients are 4 to 5 shallots. Shallots are sweeter and more nutritional than any other onion.
3/4 cup of paleo baking flour or einkorn flour. We tried both and they turned out great. Make sure to watch this video where we talk about the nutritional benefits of einkorn.
1 cup of cold water or milk.
1/4 cup of arrowroot starch. It's a healthy substitute for cornstarch.
1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Salt and pepper to taste.
This recipe calls for breadcrumbs. Store-bought breadcrumbs are super unhealthy, so we opted to using siete chips, which only has a few healthy ingredients, and it comes in many flavors and salt levels, so you might want to adjust the salt accordingly.
Stay until the end of the video where we compare both breadcrumbs.
For now, we're going to dump a 1/2 bag of salted siete and a 1/2 bag of nacho siete chips in a food processor until you get this coarse texture.
Whisk together all the dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate in the water or milk.
Dip the onions in the batter until completely covered. Then into the breadcrumbs and shake it up. This is the cleanest, fastest, and easiest way to cook them.
For the frying oil, you can use avocado or coconut oil.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Drop them in for about a minute or until golden brown.
You can freeze them before frying for later use.
There you go, you got perfect crispy popcorn onion rings that you can make in under a minute.
The link for the fryer and chips are down below if you would like to buy them.
If you like this recipe, make sure to watch this video. Enlightenment board!
Why store-bought breadcrumbs are so unhealthy.
We used to buy panko breadcrumbs from stores. We never realized how bad the ingredients are until we read them. Here are just a few.
Dextrose, which can lead to high blood sugar and swelling in arms, feet, and legs.
Enriched wheat flour, which makes you gain unhealthy weight and doesn't provide your body with the necessary nutrients and proteins. And unnecessary added sugar, which is not needed in breadcrumbs.